Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the Anker PowerLine Plus 3 USB-C to Lightning cable in red. It looks pretty glittery, that's for sure. It has the nylon braided cable. This is one of their most high-end cables that Anker has to offer. You have the Lightning port here, which works great for the iPhone that we have right here. Every iPhone that has this port can handle with this, and what's also cool is it works with the Anker Nano 2 65-watt charger, which we have right here, small wall charger, and then this plugs right into here, so you can charge your iPhone devices and your iPads as well. This is great for charging everything that you see here. This is the PowerLine 3, and it's available now from Anker in red and black and some other colors as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.